If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and I'm a 23-year-old college student trying to maneuver her way in this financial realm. So I have videos on budgeting, cash envelope stuffing, how to save money, what challenge you can use to save money. You can actually follow me on my savings challenge journey. I have videos every month updating you on how much I've saved so far. So therefore, which brings you to my sinking funds, which is also a type of savings. I have a lot to talk to you about when it comes to my sinking funds because a lot have changed. A lot has changed. I will not have the plus today, but at the end I will give you a snapshot of the pluses as well. Actually, give me a moment. And we're back. So, basically, I'm going to go down the list and tell you what I've added, and then we're going to go through our envelopes and we're going to see how much we have left. Ensure that the plus is correct and how much we lost. So, this is how much money I've added based on my paycheck, not random monies that I've received. So, we have car saving, got $0, travel, got $5 this month, online business, got nothing, emergency fund, got $10. Then doctors, got nothing. School, got $40. Wow. Christmas, got $1. Miscellaneous, don't remember giving miscellaneous. Membership, don't remember that. Anniversary, got $5, so I should be at 10. Birthdays, which is for my boyfriend's birthday, even though it says my name, but it's for his birthday, it's $40. Gifts, didn't get anything. Gifts was actually a placeholder for money that was for entertainment, but technically that's not giving money to that category, because I didn't want to use the $50, because if it was in my wallet, I was most likely going to buy something with it. Shopping, nothing. SG Road, got $5. Haircut, got nothing because I straightened my hair straight. And then house down payment, nothing. Car maintenance, I didn't give anything to car this pay period. I feel like this pay month, I feel like I did. Car got $5. See, I knew I wasn't playing. Car savings got $5. MacBook Pro got $30. Oop, I'm in somebody's lane. Oh, wow. Okay, stickers got $0. Valentine's Day got $15. And passport got $0. So, seems like everything wasn't fully funded, or not fully funded, wasn't stuffed, and that's okay. That is okay. But now let's go through it and let's see. So, as you can see, my envelopes has been thin because I took out some of my envelopes that I wasn't really using. I switched them out for different designs as well, so it's different. Miscellaneous, I was debating on if I should keep this in my sinking fund, but I feel like I should, only because I've been touching miscellaneous for the simple fact that I've been over budget on Metro cards. So I needed to take money out of something, and it's been something of a lot of things. House savings, once again, I have a savings account, so I didn't know what I was going to do. Ended up spending this money on MetroCard because I didn't have the money for MetroCard. Membership, once again, how much did membership? Membership had $7. So now that's, the total is 0 because I spent $7 on the MetroCard that I didn't have. So now we can put these away because now you can figure out why they're not in the binder, because I don't know if I want to keep them here. Now, look at this little new pretty pattern. So this is cars. My car savings. Let's see how much that has. It says it should have 115 plus 5. So the goal, what I was thinking about doing is combining car savings and car maintenance into cars until further notice. So we should have 120. So we have, let's see, 120 plus car, how much did car maintenance have? Car maintenance had 5. So 120 plus 5, so 125. So we have 100, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have $25. Wait, 125. Whoa. 25, 125. So 0. We didn't lose any money. Travel. Once again, I merged passport and travel together because it made no sense having two. It made sense in my mind back then, but I'm just like, it doesn't unless I'm gonna buy another folder envelope binder situation to hold the rest of my envelopes because it's ridiculous. I have a lot. Let's downsize and stick to the ones that are important. So whatever you see here is the ones that I deemed important. So, So, travel. So some things that have 2 slots, 2 trackers, is because I thought I was gonna just divide it within itself, but it made no sense to divide it within itself now that I'm looking back at it, and let's just go straight. So travel, I had $35. Clearly this is more than $35, clearly. So let's divide the cash because it's all over the place. Okay, so we have Alright, so I did add extra money to this from one of my savings challenge that I did in the month of January. So that's why you see a lot of ones, because it was from one of my savings challenge. Now let's count the fun part. So we have 100. So 100 is right here. 20. Let's do it this way. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That's $70. 7, 5, 7, 80. Let's widen you out. 80, 90, 200. So that's $200. So that's $200. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 216. Wow. And the trip down payment is 100. The flight is 180 something. I'm legit almost there. I have to give this in by tonight, by the way. So this is actually very, it makes me happy. So 217, right? 217. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 216. Okay. 2, 16. Wow, this is amazing. I went from $35 to $216. Even though it's gonna be gone soon because I have to use it for what I need to use it for, but this is what savings. This is what happens when you save. Granted, it's not $1,000. It's not, but it's better than nothing. So, online business. I should have 15. I have 0. MacBook. I should have. Oh, it's all the way in the bottom. I should have 30. I have 20. I have 20. 25. Up to the other 5. Okay, well. So we're going to put it down here. Emergency savings, which should have been before. Whatever. I should have $21. I forgot to put this back in here. I should have $21, but I have 11 again. Probably MetroCard, because I do deem MetroCard as emergency. Even though some people won't, but because I need to take public transportation to move around this city, it's emergency if I run out. Doctor should have $45. 2, 4, 5, so I still have $45. School should have $4, 5, $70. Let's see what we got. So let's order this. Okay. So we have 2, 4, 50, 55, 56, 50. Ooh, what? 2, 4, 5, 55, 60, 65. So I have 65, but I should have 70. So that means, yeah, I remember that day. I took $5 from this because I was like, well, technically it's for school that I'm doing this and I have to take this MetroCard. So basically I rationalized the reason why I should take $5 from this. So yeah, so 65. Yeah, this is what happened. When you under budget, you tend to rationalize. Christmas, I have $1. Because I just put that in today. Valentine's Day, I should have $25. I do have a gift card in here, but I don't count that as money. Some people do. I understand why they do, but I don't. So, $120. $25. So this is basically for gifts, because Valentine's Day is already paid for with the gift cards. But this is if like I wanted to give him a gift. Anniversary should be $10. Let's see how that went. Oh wow, I actually still have the $10. This is amazing. My birthday should have $40. Okay, well, I have $45. I think this came from one of the envelopes that I shut down. So when I shut them down, I rolled it over to another envelope. So I have 45. Ha ha ha. So the goal was to have as much money so I'm not burdened to use half of my paycheck on the weekend of the weekend I got paid. So gifts have 0 and they have 0, so didn't really change much. Then yesterday I should have a couple of dollars. I didn't save as much for this one. 3, 5, so that's 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, yes. So good thing. I need to hurry up and start saving more for this. 7. So as you can see right here, I only have money for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means my envelope went from 20 something to 12 sinking funds. And I'm happy. That's good. I don't need to have all of these categories. So, wait, why do I have 1? Oh, 2. So yeah, so that's basically it. I'll see you in the next video. 125 plus 216 plus 11 plus 45 plus 65 plus 1 plus 10 plus 45 plus 7 plus 25 plus 25 equals, wow, this is basically close to what I need for the trip. This is crazy. So if you see that my sinking funds just magically go to 0, just know it went to Orlando. So that is let's see how much we improved from last month. 296. So we improved plus 279. So we improved this much. So we increased 279 from the original 296. So I'm just very happy we did the thing this month. It was amazing. On top of this savings and the savings challenge savings, like we did good. We did good. Now we're really done. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.